can you jump in for me?
Yeah.
Jump in. Let me see how you jump in down here. Bless you. Go on. Jump in. Come on, Destiny. Jump in for me. Let me see ya. Let me see how good you swim. Go ahead. Go ahead. Jump. Go on, Serenity. You guys are goofy. Let me see you swim. Go swim all the way to the other side. All right, take a breather. Get a minute. Okay, come on, come back. Go under, like a mermaid does. There you go. Good girls. You okay? You got it? How does a mermaid go under?
Huh?
With her flippers. How does a mermaid go under?
Go down.
How? Show me. There you go.
The tails are like this. The tails are like this, Destiny.
How? Show me.
What?
There you go. Yep. That's how their tails are. You got it? Oh, look at Destiny go.
That's when the mermaid's tail are. I can do it backwards. I can do it backwards.
Well, hang on. Why don't you guys...
Like this. I can do it like this.
All right. Go up to the shallow end. Take a breather.
Huh?
Go up to the shallow end. Go up to the steps and sit there for a minute and take a breather. You guys, never mind. Go ahead. Go swim. Go on, Serenity. Watch this. Watch. Okay, you got it? Okay. Watch your sister. I thought she was going to sit on you. Watch Destiny. All right, you guys stop. Take a breather for a minute.
No, I can swim. I got all the breathe out.
You better. You got it? Water babies. You got it over there? What are you doing, Goofy? Your sister's being silly. All right, come on, get over by the side.
I'm getting rest right here.
Yes, you are. You're going to rest right there. You need to rest for a minute.